New electric car milligrams for has been introduced in Pakistan. A new electric car milligrams for has been introduced by MG Pakistan. According to the news website Pakistani, the introduction ceremony of this car was held in Karachi. This vehicle has been introduced in two models, which are named Excite and Essence. This vehicle has been introduced in China in June this year. The MG4 produces 240 horsepower and 250 nanometers of torque. With this power, this vehicle is capable of accelerating from 0 to 100 kmph in 7.2 seconds. The MG has been launched with a 4-rear-wheel drive system, with a 10.25-inch digital touchscreen on the dashboard with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The battery of this vehicle can be charged from 10% to 80% in just 35 minutes. Both models of the vehicle are introduced with different battery packs and different prices. The MG4 model with a 51 kWh battery pack can travel 350 kilometers on a single charge and is priced at Rs 1,499,000. Similarly, the MG4 Essence is priced at Rs 1,29,90,000, which comes with a 64 kilowatts battery pack. With this battery pack, the vehicle is capable of traveling 450 kilometers in a single recharge. MG4 is available at MG dealerships across Pakistan.